Ramayana Art of Living Lecture Part 24. So far we have seen Manthara, the Kubja. Itastataha jataha iti Kubja. Kubja's pravesham. So that is the twist. Ramayana actually begins with the twist. So Manthara comes. Why she did it we don't know, but Tulsidas says that it is because of Devakarya. Ma Saraswati entered into the Kantha of Manthara, Kubja. Ma Saraswati entered into the Kantha, and then the words came to Manthara, and that started corrupting Kaikeyi. But Kaikeyi to Mata for Ram. So how could you instantaneously quickly change the mind and mood of Kaikeyi? You cannot. So Valmiki uses one whole sarga. The entire sarga, can you believe, just to convince Kaikeyi to ask her boon. So this lecture will be about how to do art of convincing. You have to hit the people where they are weak. So Manthara does it step by step. You climb the ladder at one step at a time. Mantara tu apyasu yainam usrujya abharanam chatat uvacha idam tato vakyam Kopa dukkha samanvita. Manthara, Kaikeyi was not in Kopa. Manthara was in Kopa, Kubja. Mantara tu abhyasuyainam asuya. She was full of this asuya, jealousy, anger. No one knows why it did. That's a story, drama. No, Ramayana is a drama. Mantara tu abhyasuyainam usrujya abharanam chatat. Kaikeyi gifted twice before. First he gave one pearl and then she gave bounty. Manthara threw it. Kopena usrijya. Usrijya mane threw. Uvacha ijam tato vakyam kopa dukkha samanvita harsha kimidam astane kritavatyasi balishe. Ye balishe, ye stupid woman. She said, ye moode. You know, Kubja, Manthara starts addressing Kaikeyi, say moode. Now he says that didn't work. Harsh word didn't work. I do that with my son every day. Harshness didn't work. Then you malik adal here. So Valmiki portrays the mindset. Hey Bale, a young girl. Your mind is like a young girl. Harsha kimidam astane. Why are you happy in the place you should not be happy? Your stepsister's son is going to be Shva. Tomorrow, Pushya Nakshatra mein, he is going to be Yavaraja. And when I said this, you are gifting me again and again. What is this? You are like a child. Hey Balike, Harsha kimidam astane kritavasyasi Balishe shokashagara madhyastam. You should be in the sinking in sorrow. Shokasakara madhyastam atmanam na avabuddhyase. Don't you understand? Yeah, avabuddhyase. Don't you understand your state of mind? Get up. Do something. Manasa pragasamitvam devi dukkha ardita sati. I am so unhappy. I feel so dukkha. Slowly Manthara infuses this corruption. Manasa pragasami. I am laughing myself. This woman doesn't know. She should be in the sorrow mood because somebody is stealing the Rajya from his son. Manasa pragasami. I am just laughing. Manasa pragasami tvam devi dukkha ardhita sati yachoti tavye ghristasi prapyedam vyasanam. You are going to get big vyasanam. Prapyedam vyasanam mahat. Big sorrow, but still you are happy. I don't understand you. You are a child. Shochami dhurmitvam te kahi pragya prakarsha. Can I believe that anybody who has mind, prajna, is somebody having a right set of mind? Will they do this? It's like psychiatry, right? Prajna. I thought you are having some sense. You don't have. Shochami, I am worried. I am full of sorrow because I think you are not in your state of mind. Something psychosis, who knows? Shochami durmitvam te kahi prajna prakarshayet. Hare, oh alas. Hare sapatni putrasya vriddhim vrityum ivagatam. Sapatni putrasya. Your stepson, if he becomes Raja, it is like a mrityu for you. But you are dancing in joy. Hare sapatni putrasya vriddhim. Vriddhim, growth. Today your son and Bharata are more or less same. Tomorrow in Pushya Nakshatra, he is going to be Yavvaraja and you are rejoicing. Hare sapatni putrasya vriddhim mrityum ivagatam Bharatadeva Ramasya Rajya Sadharanat Bhayam. Rama is only afraid of Bharata that he will take the Rajya from him. But Rama is not afraid. But this Kuni mantra is telling this. Bharatadeva Ramasya Rajya Sadharanat Bhayam Tad Vichintya Vishannasmi Bhayabhitadhi Jayate. Beautiful phrase. Bhayabhitadhi Jayate. Where do you get fear? Bhayabhitadhi Jayate. When you are weak, you see even people with little bit strength than you feel that they are going to come and hit you. Bhayabhitadhi Jayate. Only bhaya comes if you are afraid of somebody or you are afraid of your weakness. Bhayabhitadhi Jayate. This is art of living. Can you believe? You can take pearls of wisdom from anywhere. Mantra is telling a great lesson for us. Bhayabhitadhi Jayate Lakshmano hi Maheshwasa Ramam Sarvatmanagataha Shatrughnaschaapi Bharadam Kakustam Lakshmano. Yata, those who are not familiar with Sanskrit Anushtup pronunciation, these 20 minutes will be, you can utilize it. So that Swara itself. Anushtup is 32 letters made into 8 letters, 4 pada. Gayatri is 24 letters. Anushtup is 32. It's most difficult to write but easy to listen and easy to memorize. So that he says, Lakshmanaya hi Maheshwaso Ramam Sarvatmanagata. And not only that, Rama has a dutiful brother called Lakshmana. So watchful of it. Vidushaha Chatra Charitre Prajnasya Prapti Karana. Why I am worried is because even the 4 prizes, Chatroho Vikramasya Ranjaniyaha, Ravana says, mantra also says that Rama, it is not that he is the first son of Dasaratha. He has all the qualities which Narada has himself told. 68 qualities Narada gave. And this Kubja, this wicked woman gives. What is Rama? Because don't think that Rama is the first son Dasaratha is giving. Entire city is craving for Rama. Ramo, 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 iti prajanam abhavankata. This sloka is apt for today. Everywhere, all over the world, in New York, Times Square to Melbourne. Everybody is Ram, Ram, Ram. Ramo, Ram. Valmiki ki Vani, Rishi Vani, it will never go wrong. Satyam, Satyam, Vyas says, if you have read Bhagavad, you know, Satyam, Satyam, Punasatyam, Uddhrutya. Bhujamuchyate Veda Shastram Param Nasti Nadaivat Keshavam Param. Same thing Valmiki Vani. Kya says? Ramo, Ramo, Ramo iti prajanam abhavan kata. Ram, 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 Ram. This is what Praja Katha today. Everywhere. Ramabhut. Same thing. It became, the world became Rama. Jagat Bhutam. Ramabhut Jagat Bhutam. Ramo, Ramo, Ramo iti Prajanam Abhavan Katha. Anyway, I completed 25 years full tenured professor at Tech, so if I want, I can retire and go on Pravach. So, Ramo, Ramo, Ramo iti Prajanam Abhavan Katha. Ramabhut Jagat Bhut Ramo, Ramo Prashasati. So, Ram rules the world. Valmiki says, same thing happens. So, how is Rama? Vidushaha Chhatraha Charitre Prajnasya Prapta. Beautiful. Rama will do when you have to do it on the time. When you have to invest, Rama will invest. He says, Praptakarinaha. At what time one should do the duty, Rama does. So you get more phala. So, Vidushaha Chhatracharitre, he is very good conquer, his valor. Vidushaha, great mind. Vidushaha Chhatracharitre, Prajnasya, knowledgeable person. Prajnasya Praptakarinaha Bhayat Pravepe Ramasya Chintayanti Tavatmajam. So, your son has to be watchful. Bhayat Pravepe Ramasya. Pravepe Ramasya. It may come from Rama. Bhayat Pravepe Ramasya Chintayanti Tavatmajam. So, she slowly infuses. Shubhaga kalu kausalya yasya putra abhisekshayeti yavvarajyena mahatasva pushyena dijotama. Hey, tomorrow Pushya Nakshatra mein Vasishto Vamadevascha Jabali Ratakashyapah Katyayano Suyagnascha Gautamo Vijayastada Abhyashinchan Naravyagram Prasannena Sugandhina Salilena Sahasraksham Vasavam Yata. This is the mantra they will recite tomorrow. ततः स प्रयतो वृद्धो वसिष्ठो ब्राह्मणैः सह रामं रत्नमये पीठये सह सीतं न्यवेश. This is what is happening tomorrow. ततः स प्रयतो वृद्धो वसिष्ठो ब्राह्मणैः सह. 125 पंडित्स शुक्ल यजुर्वेदी प्राधान में शुक्ल यजुर्वेदी. So ततः स प्रयतो वृद्धो वसिष्ठो ब्राह्मणैः सह रामं रत्नमये पीठम. So the black Shila Murti is going to be held on a marble. Ramam Ratnamaye Pite Sakasitam Nyaveshayat. What are these? From Shukla Yajurveda. So 5 different Ramayanas are being recited. Valmiki Ramayana, Tulasi Ramacharitra Manas, Bhushandi Ramayana, Adhyatmana Ramayana and Ananda Ramayana. 5 Ramayana. So there are so many pandits. So Yajur Shaka, Krishna Yajurveda, Madhyandina Shaka, Kanva Shaka, Jaimini Shaka, Ranayani Shaka, all this. So the same people are told by Valmiki. Vasitto Vamadevascha Jabali Rata Kashyapa Katyayano Suyajnascha Jayastata Abhyashinchan Naravyagram. He is the Naravyagra. Abhyashinchan Naravyagram Prasannena Sugandhina. Sugandh, all the beautiful camphor, all Parimala Nana with the Sugandh. Salilena Sahasraksham. He is like Indra. Salilena Sahasraksham Vasavova. Like Ashtavasus doing the coronation for Indra. Salilena Sahasraksham Vasavo Vasavam Yata Swapushyena Dvijottamai Praptam Sumahatim Pritim Pratitam Tam Hatadvisham Upatasya. Then he says, tomorrow when Rama becomes Rama Lalla gets his own house. Let's go many yug back. Tomorrow in Pushya Nakshatra, when he gets the Yavarajya, Kausalya is going to make you as a servant. That's where she hits. Upastasyasi Kausalyam. Watch this word. Dasitvam Kritanjali. Not only that, you have to always be at beck and call. Dasitvam Kritanjali. She started hitting where people are weak. Praptam Sumahitim. She becomes rich. Praptam Sumahiti. Mahatim Pratim. Pritim Pratitam Ta Hatadvisham. She had quelled all the barriers. Upastayasi. Tu, you will be like a servant. To who? Kausalyam Dasi Tvam Kritanjalihi. Evam Chetvam Sahasmabihi. Not only that, hey Mude, not only you are going to be a slave, you are bringing me down as well. Not only me, your son Bharata as well. Beautiful. Evam Chetvam Sahasmabihi Tasyaha Preshya Bhavishyasi. Preshya means servant. I also will become servant. Putrascha tava Ramasya Preshya Bhavam Gamishyati. Your son Bharata is also going to be a son. Can you believe if you tell your mom that your son is going to be a servant for somebody, which mom will tolerate? That's where the weakness comes. Hrishta kalu bhavishyanti Ramasya paramasriya aprushtaha. Then she says, not only that, forget all this. Your Rama's wives. Mantara says Rama will have many wives, so she misses the bus. She says, Hrishtas Ramasi. Beautiful. Hrishta kalu bhavishyanti Ramasya parama striyaha. Plural. Because all, not only that, watch, your daughter-in-law is going to curse you. Daily fight. Apahrishta bhavishyanti snushaste bharatakshaya snutaste apahrishtaha. Your daughter-in-laws are going to be mad at you, and there is going to be a daily Mahabharata. Apahrishta bhavishyanti snusha. Snusha means daughter-in-law. Apahrishta bhavishyanti snushaste bharatakshe. This sarga, art of convincing. Slowly, look, son, not only son, every mother-in-law wants to be portrayed good by the daughter-in-law. Right? That's very important. So that she hits. Apahrishta bhavishyanti snushaste bharadakshaye tam drishtva paramam apritam bruvanti. This, then when she said your daughter-in-laws are going to hit you daily, then Kaikeyi thinks this is the not good thing going to happen. First time she realizes, she awakes from sleep. Tam drishtva paramam apritam bruvantim mantaram. Tata, afterwards, now she realizes, something bad is going to happen. See, drama. You have to understand Kavyam as a drama. Sanskrit is itna vani. Right? Samyak kritam iti Sanskrit. Ramo rajnyaha suto jeshte yavarajyam ato harati. So Rama is going to be the Yavarajya. Bratruh Brityanscha Dirgayu Pitruvapal. So don't think Rama will be, there will be a recall for Rama. Because he is going to take care of his brothers and people for 100 years. So when he is taking care of his people for 100 years, there is no question of recall. You would be gone, I would be gone. Bratruhe Brityamscha Dhirgayuhu Pitruvat Palayishyati. He is going to take care of people like a father taking care of his child. So Samtasya se Katam Kubje Shrutva Rama Abhishechanam Bharataschapi Ramasya Dhruvam Varshasha. No, can I have? Then also Kaikeyi is a good woman. She says, okay, you only say Rama will take care for 100 years. What if on the 101th year? See, Valmiki doesn't want to give up. He wants to portray the art of Bharataschapi Ramasya Dhruvam Varsha Satatparam Aparam. What happened after 100 years? Okay, you only gave 100 years, Rama will rule. What happened after 100 years? Pitrupaitamaham Rajyam Avapta Purusharsha. Then Rama will get tired. Pitrupaitamaham. This is my ancestral property. Rajyam yati Ramasya Bharatasyapi tattada manyatehi yatatmanam tata bratunchara. Beautiful. Kaikeyi is a good woman. Suddha bhave. If you had come to that earlier lecture, you know how Valmiki addresses. Ye Suddha bhave, ye Bhalike. And you know, Kaikeyi was so beautiful. Valmiki could not get his Turika down. He could not. He became Kalidasa when he describes Kaikeyi. He says, her beauty, Shuddha Bhave. So Kaikeyi Vachanam Srutva Mantara Brushat Dukkita Dirgam Ushnam. Then he said, her body got so heated and the breath was coming in a hot way. That also Valmiki captures. Dirgam Ushnam Niswasya Kaikeyi Idam Abraviti Kaikeyi Vachanam Srutva Mantara Brushadukkita Dirgam Ushnam Niswasya Kaikeyi exhales. So she gives breath, heart. Bhavita Raghavo Raja Raghasyanu Yasuta. Not only Raghava, Lava Kushan, everybody from then on, Bharata's sons, you and everybody, your daughter-in-laws will be servant. Nahi Rajyaha Suta Sarve Rajye Tishtanti Bhamini. A beautiful woman. Bhamini. She said, ye Mude, ye Balike. I give up. Oh, beautiful woman, please listen to me. What are words? Nahi Rajyaha Suta Sarve Rajye Tishtanti Bhamini Tasyam Jeshte Hi Kaikeyi Rajya Tantrani Parthivaha. So he says this. Hey, you are like a Balika. Your son is a child. Bala eva hi matulyam bharato naitastvaya. You are stupid. That's the reason you think beauty, your beauty, you can conquer Dasaratha. She conquered until then, but she loses. Bala eva hi matulyam bharato naitastvaya. Beautiful. You let Bharata go, so Dasaratha lost interest in Bharata. Can you not believe? Sanni karshascha sauhardam jayates. Even for plants. For a plant to grow, you need to have a stick. There should be some understanding between a stick and the plant to grow. If you have a lata to creep on a stick, there should be some understanding. Sauhardam, beautiful. Valmiki saw this example then. Upama Kalidasasya. Valmiki here and there touches Upama. Sannikarshascha. Sannikarshascha means closeness. Two plants will only know each other if they are close. They talk to each other if they are within certain vicinity. Okay, Dr. Patil is here. Patil is here. He may know more on plants thing. Sannikarshaschya sauhardam jayate stavareshvapi. Stavareshvapi. Sannikarsha. You should be close. And I also learnt about this. Sruyate hi dhrumakachiti chetavyo vanajivibihi. Beautiful. Valmiki writes this narrative. I went in the forest and then I saw some forest dweller. Vanajivibihi. Sruyate. I saw and I heard. Dhrumaha kaschiti chetavyo. One tree survived from their quelling. Sannikarshad ishikad bihi. Because that tree was surrounded by ishika, by lot of mangroves, by lot of sugarcane bushes. So, because the tree was proximate to the sugarcane bushes, the sugarcane bushes provided as a barrier for the tree from the woodcutters. Sruyate hi druma kachiti chetavyo vanajeevibihi sannikarshati ishikabihi mochitaha. Mochita means it survived. That druma, that tree survived because it was sannikarshabihi ishikibihi. Paramadbayam gopta hi ramam saumitri. Likewise, Rama is always protected by Lakshmana. Gopta hi ramam saumitri Lakshmanam chapi Raghava. How beautiful. If a tree is protected by bushes, people lose sight of the tree and they go. Similarly, Rama is protected by Lakshmana. Lakshmana is nothing but Adisesha. So she keeps on convincing. Pavamana sududupatu pavana rupa pavamana sududupatu padara vindamulaku neenama रूपमुलकु नित्य जय मंगलम मंगलम कौसलेन्द्राय मगनीय गुणाब्दये चक्रवर्ती तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मंगलम समस्त सन्मंगलानि सन्तु।